also our special report. We know that as cases rise across India, railway coaches are now being turned into corona isolation coaches. More and more states have asked for this. Akshay Dongre reports from inside a railway station in Delhi and what these corona isolation coaches will look like.
Really? Right now we are present inside a COVID care coach that has been transformed by the Indian Railways to treat the COVID-19 patients. So a lot of changes naturally had to be made, keeping that requirement in mind. So certain changes that we can see right now are the dustbins near each and every bed. So these kind of beds will be there to treat the COVID-19 patients. The patients will be sleeping on these beds. We can show you that these are non-AC coaches. So the windows can be opened, but so that mosquitoes should not enter inside the coach. These nets have been applied here on each and every window. As far as these coaches are concerned, these polythene sheets are installed at every part of the coach so that these sections can be segregated for the patients. These are the most important things. As far as these coaches are concerned, these are the oxygen cylinders for the patients who will require oxygen immediate care. So that oxygen can be supplied in ample quantity. These oxygen cylinders will be inside each and every coach. There are certain changes that have been made as far as the washroom area, the cleaning area is concerned, and the changes are the washroom has been converted into a bathroom properly so that the patients can take bath here inside these bathrooms. So these are certain changes since the patients will be here for quite some time. But one thing that will be very important is sanitization, because if around 16 patients will be here in a single coach, it will be a major point to ensure that proper sanitization takes place at a routine level. Also, one of the most important things that we have felt personally is that these coaches are very hot as far as the temperature is concerned. The temperature is soaring above 40 degrees Celsius every day in the national capital. So it will be very essential for the railways to take care of that aspect as well. So we'll have to wait and watch that what exactly can be done as far as these issues are concerned, and how this entire decision by the Indian Railways is going to give a major boost to the COVID facilities across the country and inside the national capital. With video journalist Pooja Arya, I'm Akshay Dongre for NDTV.